Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you would like to know the price, simply click on the link in the description below. If you like our videos, we greatly appreciate it if you would buy a watch from JazzTime.com. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Tudor Black Bay reference M79230R-0012 red with a stainless steel bracelet. I'm going to talk to you guys about the bezel, the dial, the case, the movement, the bracelet, try it on, and give you my thoughts. Let's dive right in. This model, the Black Bay, is red. They also make it in several other colors, blue, black, and I think even Pepsi. Now, this one is 41 millimeters from my thumb to my index finger, so it's actually a little bit bigger than its cousin, the Rolex Submariner, which actually I think I have right here, and I can show you guys one right next to each other for comparison. So I do have one right here. It's slightly larger, as you can see, 41 on the left and 40 on the right. So that's its older cousin, and it has a cool, nice red bezel, which I find quite attractive. The bezel is a steel unidirectional rotatable bezel with a disc in matte burgundy, anodized aluminum. They call it burgundy. I call it red. Most people call it red, but it's actually burgundy. I suppose red would be much brighter. Burgundy would be a bit darker. I guess it would be kind of funny to have your bezel in actual red. So burgundy probably makes more sense. It says unidirectional rotatable bezel, and it's aluminum. So it has that. It's kind of like the old school Submariner with this aluminum bezel. Okay. The case is 41 millimeters, which makes it larger. And I guess I wanted to show you guys some things about the case that I noticed. Now, I really was like in awe when I saw this. I was like, wow, they did a great job polishing. I don't know, see if you can see that line right there. Do you see that chamfered line where it's beveled edge, like polished right there, and the rest of it is brush finish? I think it's a really nice touch. I don't think that's very easy to do. You know, I'm not a watchmaker myself, but I would imagine polishing it like that would not be so easy. I know they have that on the Submariners, but the case itself is a little thinner, so it's kind of hard to tell. And this watch is a bit old on the one on the right. But yeah, I guess I see it on this edge too. But you know, it's the fine detail that matters. I think they did a good job on it. That's all I'm trying to say. Now, if you look at the case side by side, not that this is a comparison, you'll notice that the Tudor is a bit thicker, probably because it has a 41 millimeter case as opposed to a 40 millimeter case. All right, but anyways, this isn't a comparison, but yeah, 41 millimeter stainless steel case. Okay. Now the movement is going to be a MT5602. It is COSC certified. That means it's certified that it's keeping really good time. It is also housed in a case back that you cannot see through, kind of like the Submariner. It has a power reserve of 70 hours, and that actually beats out the Submariner, which only has a power reserve of approximately 48. It also doesn't beat out the Submariner in this regard, but it has a 200 meter waterproofness or water resistance. But whoever goes to 200 meters, I don't know. The Submariner, presumably, as it says right here on the dial, can go 300 meters. So I guess if you wanted to put these to the test, the Submariner could go another 100 meters, although you'd probably be dead by then. Anyhow, let's talk about the dial. Now, the dial is black with pink index domed. Okay, so what does that all mean? It means it's like a gilt or gold or pink markers here and in ink. That's at least what it says on the website. So does it look really pink to me? It looks more like gold, but I guess I could see how you would think this would be pink. Right? Now, I guess I wanted to talk about the hands for a bit. If you notice these hands, what do they look like? They kind of look like, I don't know, you use your imagination. I don't know, something, I don't know. It looks like a square with a little dot at the end. But what I'm trying to point out here is that I really like the legibility of this dial. I think that at nighttime, or if you're looking at it from far away, you see how legible that is? I mean, the purpose of buying a watch is to see time, you know, and you can't see time if the hands aren't legible. And I think they did a really good job on this aspect of it. Not that the Submariner didn't, but if you compare them side by side, which one looks more legible to you? Okay. All right. Anyhow, that's the black dial with a with pink index and domed. Now the sapphire crystal, they say it's a domed sapphire crystal, which is pretty unique. Now I'm looking at it like trying to show you guys like this. It doesn't really look that domed to me. This is a completely flat Submariner to the right. I can't really say it looks very domed, but it does stick up a little bit. I mean, I was thinking domed would be like this, but it's not exactly like that. But you know, I guess that might make it a little hard to see. So I guess, you know, it sticks up. I wouldn't really call it domed. I'd call it more like protruding. But anyways, that's what they call it. It's still a sapphire crystal, which means it doesn't scratch very easily. That's a good thing. Okay, now let's go on to the bracelet. Now I think this is a really nice touch. You know, riveted bracelets, what does that mean? That means you see these little rivets here? Those things hold the bracelet together. I think that's a really nice touch. It kind of goes back to some vintage, you know, thing. It's riveted steel bracelet with folding buckle and safety clasp. I like that idea. I like where they're going with this. Make it vintage, make it, you know, kind of unique from every other watch. You know, bring it back a little bit. I like that. I think it's cool. It's also kind of a fatter bracelet if you compare it to this 20mm size on the Submariner. So it's just a little bit bulkier, bigger, you know, for those who want a bigger watch that's more legible. I think this is not a bad choice. Okay, anyways, I told you I would try it on and let you know my thoughts. I really like this watch, and especially for the price point, you know, I think red is a really cool, or burgundy I guess they call it. I guess burgundy is a really cool color. I mean, it's unique. I don't see a lot of burgundy watches out there. And yeah, I like the legibility. I like the size. I like the craftsmanship. I like the uniqueness of this bracelet. I think it's a pretty good watch, you know. So if you like this video, we actually make it for people like you who are sitting at home watching our video to decide which watch they want to buy. Yes, people do watch YouTube, decide on the watches that they want, and then buy it. If you want to do that, you simply click on the link in the description below. It takes you to our website, jazztime.com, and you can simply buy this watch. If you pay today, you could have it on your desk tomorrow. How's that sound?
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.